Let's talk reports. Our reporting feature seamlessly collects data from your invoices and generates comprehensive reports that give you invaluable insights into your sales, profitability, sales tax, and more. With our reporting feature, you can effortlessly track your sales performance, identify your most profitable products and or services, and stay on top of your sales obligations. Plus, it doesn't stop there. Our feature goes above and beyond by collecting referral data for marketing purposes. So you can easily measure the success of your marketing efforts and make data driven decisions to optimize your strategies. But that's not all. Our reporting feature goes even deeper by providing detailed data on the number of packages sold, individual items sold, and the types of jobs booked within a specific date range. You can easily export generated reports in a single click. And the data is presented in clear and visually appealing charts and graphs that are easy to interpret. Say goodbye to complex spreadsheets and hello to a world of simplified data analysis. Experience the power of our reporting feature today and unlock the potential of your business. Try it now and see the difference it could make for your success.